This Ross Krieger, this person who's harassing my son, you were part of the setup, weren't you?
You don't think Lily she could take action on her own? Huh? You should know her better than that, Holden.
I don't think she would ever purposely try to change our son.
She was worried about Luke.
And she came to you with it. So I'm going to ask you again. Did you hire this guy or not?
I answered you once. Maybe you didn't hear me.
Luke, I'm sorry.
No, I'll get the nurse, Mom. You rest.
No.
Nurse! Dad, get someone in here! What are you doing?
I didn't.
What's happening?
It's a seizure. Get Tony Braddock, stat.
What's wrong? Stay out. Lily. What the hell happened here?
I don't know what happened. She grabbed me.
How long?
A minute since I got here.
And who was here? My son, Luke.
I was like, she just sort of froze, and I called for the nurse, and I don't know how long it was.
Easy, it's okay. Get the airway cart.
What time frame are we talking here?
Oh, looks to be about a minute, 2 at the outside.
And get me 1 milligram of lorazepam now.
I've got the CT scanner on hold.
Bob, what's happening?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Do you have any history of seizures?
I don't know. Holden, has she ever had a seizure?
I don't think so, no.
Okay.
She's stabilizing.
All right. Well, let's get her upstairs and we take a look.
Good. Holden outside.
No, I don't want to stay
We're
here.
going to take her up for a scan. Let's give Dr. Braddock some room to work. Come on.
Tell me what happened.
She grabbed me.
Why were you in the room?
I saw her hand move from out in the hall, so I went in to see that maybe she was awake. And then her eyes opened and she looked at me like she had something to tell me.
She shouldn't have been trying to talk.
I know. I didn't make her. But she said my name and I told her that it was okay. And then she got this look and all the alarms started going off.
Why didn't you come out here and get me?
Because she grabbed my hand again and I was afraid that if I moved, I'd hurt her.
She's in a bed.
Leave the boy alone. This wasn't his fault.
I'm not saying that it was. Just trying to understand. Where's she going?
We're taking her to 4 West for a scan. You stay here, Holden. As soon as we get the results of the scan and the rest of the tests, I'll call you and we'll meet in my office. Let's go.
Lily, we're here. Wait here.
Bob called with news about Lily.
No, it's a family conference. We'll let you know.
I'll be waiting.
Come on, Luke.
Have a seat. Dr. Braddock is still with Lily. He'll be available to answer any questions you have.
How is she?
Well, there's no change in the CT scan, and that's a good sign. There's no bleeding in the brain.
That's what you thought might have happened?
Well, it's the most likely reason for a seizure.
Well, if that's the good news, then why do you look so concerned?
Lily is still unconscious. And at this point, it looks like she's slipped back into a coma.
You said this might happen, but we never talked about what a coma could mean. How does it hurt the baby?
Well, there's good news there because the baby's in good shape. The fetal heart tone is perfect. And the ultrasound is very good, so you have a healthy baby.
But?
Obviously, the longer Lily stays in a coma, it's more likely there could be a problem for her and the baby.
You know, I don't understand this. She's never had a seizure before. How does something like this suddenly happen?
Well, her systems were compromised by the head trauma. You said that she tried to speak.
Yeah, she grabbed me and she tried to say something. I didn't say anything back because I knew it wasn't a good idea for her to try.
But
to
it was
talk.
clear to you that she was under stress. Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
So the stress caused the seizure?
Not necessarily. You know what could happen in her case after this trauma? All the neurons fire up at once, and it causes her brain to short circuit, so to speak.
And that's why she shouldn't have tried to talk.
I was trying to get her not to.
So, what do we do? What's the procedure?
We wait.
No.
Holden, Lily is comfortable. All her vitals are normal.
We can't just sit here and wait. You said that the longer she's in a coma, the more likely she'll stay in a coma.
I said that was a possibility.
Yeah, but that's the bottom line here. There's got to be something that we can do.
You can talk to her, reassure her, talk to her about anything that's not stressful. The sound of your voice can help.
That's it?
Medically, it could be the best thing for her right now.
Okay.
Holden, really. That's all we can do now.
It's not your fault, you know.
She freaked out because I was there.
Your mom loves you, and I'm sure she was just trying to say something about what happened last night.
She already said sorry last night.
Yeah, well, maybe she didn't think you believed her.
Hey, Dad, it's just... Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. Not right now.
No, it does to your mom. You just have to face the facts here. If she hears you or sees you, might set her off again.
I won't go there again, don't worry.
I'm sorry that it has to be like this.
Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to your mom.
Yeah, go on. I'll call to see that the girls are okay.
Thanks.
Luke, I heard your mother's in a coma.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry.
we all are.
What happened?
She tried to tell me something. Dad thinks that she was trying to apologize for that Krieger guy, but she already did before she fell. So it has to be something else. Do you know? Can you think of anything that Mom would be desperate to tell me?
I'm sure your mother just wanted to explain that she didn't mean to upset you. It sounds like she didn't understand what kind of man this Ross Krieger was, and she regretted sending him over.
Yeah, I guess. Can I stay at your place again tonight?
Of course. I told you, you're always welcome.
I guess it'd just be best for my dad if I wasn't around right now.
Luke, I told you, you'd always have a home with me. You didn't order any breakfast. I bet you still haven't eaten a bite. Come on, let's go get you something.
Okay.
The girls are with your mom, and they're fine. They want to see you, though. They want you to finish reading Wind in the Willows. I offered to read it, but they said no. They said that Mom needs to finish it because she needs to see how things turn out. Things don't turn out very well without you, Lily.